represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are gonna don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah, man, people. So when you see the incident, you know, with Masicka, in Antigua, because him say I think him a part of the tourism, some embassy that thing, and it seems like it's some election rally thing a go on or something. You see me? And I think of the same thing in I don't know, Masicka. I don't know that. Yo, one thing, you know, you see the religion thing and the politics thing, one very serious thing, you know. You see me? And I feel like as an artist, sometimes it basically kind of stay far, because once you turn an artist, you look for everybody support you. And sometimes you put yourself in a situation, they kind of, you know, because if you go do that over this and then the next side we're against that movement, yeah. You must start maybe pre-you too. And I say, yo, you see me? Yeah, some people, and maybe not everybody, but you know them thing they said, so you don't know Masicka the Antigua and I didn't look at thing, you don't know them give him this ambassador thing, you see me? So they don't Antigua and a lot of things go on, something go on the stage, I think some shooting go on, and you see me, people are run up and down and one bag of things, so we're going to play a clip and make you know hear what go on. So Masicka enter the stage now, you see me? Yeah, but you know I see him in chance, limelight.
Yo, Ambassador! Masicka! Check.
So you say a mute mind enter the stand with. So you hear me say? Yo, me say, but man, love your guitar thing, you're freak. Yo, dog, I'm gonna forget a guitar for Masicka in a dog. So you know, say that song here with him and Dexter up. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know. A bad song, bad collaboration. You see me? Yeah, blessings. You don't know everybody want blessings and a bag of thing. You see me? Tough song. You see me? But something I go forward up people, and I say, yo, Jano, them money, but listen what I go on. So look here now, people. You don't know them dead a shot boss. See? So this a person here. I see a part-time entourage. Forward with him. Cause look like I don't know if he might try ease him off or what. See? But I don't know where guy I tell him. But I say Masicka, brother, when something like that go on, you have to leave in front of the stage, bro. You understand? You have to leave the stage, brother. You see, we must say, You don't know what I go on. You see me? I know I tell you say, yo, right here go on. So you should have moved from this, bro. You see me? Still a perform and all of them little thing there. But listen what I want people. It look like a security I say, yo, how I go on? It look like I follow them forward to take Masicka off the stage, but me don't know that. Masicka look like him stubborn, brother. You see me? But listen what I go on. I go, you know. Kiss I go, man, you know. Why? Sometimes you sing out your song, them dog. Sorry, people. Alright. Sorry, you bum, but sorry, people. Look how long you man them 40 and not tell you something. You should have fought off a stage, bro. You make your man have to come for your second time, brother. Eh? You tell the man them say everything good and you don't know what go on. Eh? All over, you can't over this as a run up and down, shot bus and every little thing. You still up on stage and sing. Christina go brother now. You know. I'm in the band. You understand? We know your type of performance already, dog. You see it. But shut a fire and you still up and say you want to perform. I feel like say, brother, when them thing that happen, brother, if you get your money, you cut off a stage, bro. Anything can happen. Shot can fly and fly over so and all of them thing there. You know, shot fire and bounce over somewhere, boom, man. You see me, dog? One shot fire, especially in a different country, dog. So, one same thing they go on, brother. You have to run for cover, dog. Because you don't know. You see me? Yeah. Because you don't know it's an election rally thing I go on. You know that go fam. You see it. That's it. They look like say they saw a backstage and thing. You see me? But yo, them thing a serious thing, dog. I tell you. Election rally I go on. You see me, you know them thing they go, dog. Man just pull up on a bag of thing and you know, cause a bag of riff-raff to try to shut down the place and the place lock off and everything, bro. So once you pardon them forward, bro, and I tell you certain things, dog. You see me? Should I just cut from early, brother. You see, cause the man them gonna come shout you and show you what going, you know want to move and then something happen. You see me? Yeah, so that's why you see Biggs come say, yo, ready. You see it? So one of them thing the dog. Yeah, man. Crazy thing going over Antigua, there, man. You see, crazy thing. You see me? And the worst thing, when Masicka start perform, because you see them just forward on, and they shot them start fire. You see it? Yeah. So, man should have run for cover long time, brother. Should make him and them call a second time, bro. You see it? One shot start fire, you have to don't perform, run for cover there. You can't still up on the stage, brother. You see me? One of them things, their protection. You see it? Yeah, man, because at the end of the day, we don't want a sad news. You see me? Yeah. We don't want a sad news on at all. But you have to get the security thing up, bro. Follow orders. You see me? Shots at fire, lift up. Or you go, we cover there, you see me? Protection or something. You see it, so. I'm gonna play with it, brother. And a joke thing. You see it? A joke thing that I tell you.
Don't take the night over the stage for us, please, just a little bit. Let me make sure the card fixed properly.
Yeah, man. Look like a some menace, man. You see me, man, you come for this track and mash up the thing. You see me? Mash up the thing, dog. But one of them thing, the people, as me say, Masicka, you have to move fast, bro. Is it? They on the stage, I know you would tell you, say, yo, something not going on. You have to look out the eye, dog. You see it? You still up on the stage and they perform same way and make it look like say everything alright and I say it work, brother. You see me? And I say it work. I say, yo, John, when Masicka security them there? Can't see Masicka security them. You tell me say a big that alone. See other youth, but the youth they look like I want to entourage youth them so. Tell him I go on, but I don't know man like him I say everything good, but I say go bro. You see me? Bag shooting and one bag of thing. Can't stand up on them stage, brother, because you don't know what will happen. After that, you don't know what them aim or what. You see me? Because remember, you know, Masicka represent, represent the culture thing. Is it? You must just know say, yo, if you're going to represent for the party, you see me? The election thing, be a span, you know, you represent a different culture. You see me? Because I don't know. Masicka will not party because last time I see Masicka, I not a St. Vincent, I see my dream thing on next election thing, so Antigua now, I'm go down the regular, you know. Yeah, man. Maybe I'll see so him soon buy all the house down the car. I think my ambassador for down there. And some youth thing, some cultural thing and influence or some. You see me? So, well, that is a good look. You don't know. Although if him not get that in my hometown, you know, I might get that somewhere else. You see it? So, if I big up for that same speed. You see me? Yeah, man, I just one of them thing the people. But as me say, now if you just know when I get to yourself, you know, bro. You see it? Once you hear them thing they a party and you perform, and you hear them thing there, you have to, you know, try get some cover or something from. You see it? You know that go already. Them thing they fly all about. So anything will happen, dog. You see it. So. But people, as me say, Masicka do him thing. You see it? I make him money. But that shot fire thing there and you're still up on the stage. If you learn, brother. You have to move fast. Them thing there go on, brother, you can't up on stage and say you're still a sing. You see me? Cause if you watch your protection, you see, cause you can't really know who are the target. You see me? And it's so surprising as you up on the stage and perform, you shot them start beat. You see me? We don't know it's an election rally, so you know all that go already. You see me? Yeah, man, you know that go already, man. So I just one of them thing the people, but at the end of the day, one dancehall is it. Yeah, man. So people, big up on yourself. Don't know what media facts pan up. Yeah, man. That is it.